Hi everyone. Today I want to show you guys about my project. It's called the AI powered product photoshoot wizard. This project will help you create beautiful photo shoots for your product with just a few clicks. Um, so I will show you through the walkthrough of my project and how to install and how to use it. There are two main ways you can use the product. First method is to host using a AWS EC2 instance. This one method is pretty straightforward. You go to AWS and create an account. After that, you use my provided Docker cloud image to launch an EC2 instance. For example, like a G4 is already pretty good, and it's gonna cost around $1 to $2 per hour. For more detail, I recommend you guys follow this YouTube video to complete the setup. And the second way and the method that I'm gonna use now is to use host using Colab. This is a free method, and also it comes with a lot of trade-offs. So yeah, in order to do this, first we need to open the notebook file in the GitHub repo. Here you should choose the option to open in Colab. Yep. And after opening Colab, first thing you need to do is to run all the cells. So run away. The first cell will check your Colab IP location country. This is because Google Gemini doesn't allow the API if your country is from the Netherlands. So you should make sure first that the IP country is the US before continuing. After this, we should install all the dependency for the project. This will clone the repo, install all the Python libraries for the project. It should take a while, around 2 or 3 minutes to run. So I'll probably skip this part.
5 minutes later.
Okay, after installing all the dependencies for the project, we should start setting up the web server. This notebook I will be using ngrok. The only thing you need to do is go to ngrok dashboard, sign up for it if you have not already, and get your auth token here. Yep, so I'll copy my auth token over here and paste it to the text input here. After that, I will run the code. And after running this, you should be able to see your public URL over here. Just press this. This will be the public URL so that everyone can access from everywhere around the world. And we should be able to see the web app here. Yep, so here's the AI powered product photoshoot wizard. To start, we should start creating. The first step is to create your Gemini API key and enter it in the box over here. So go to this link. Yep. So you can create a API key over here, but I've already created my API key, so I just copy it and paste it in the box over here. Now the second step is to upload 5 to 10 photos of your product. It can be photos taken from your product from different angles. Now I'm just gonna choose a soccer ball photos that I found online. So I used a total of 9 photos here. this is gonna be my product. Yep, after uploading all the photos, should enter the product name. So in my case, it should be a FIFA soccer ball. It's gonna take a while to train the model. It will first start by downloading the pre-trained model online. The training process or fine-tuning usually takes around 10 to 12 minutes to run. So I'll probably skip this part and see you guys in a minute, in around 10 minutes.
10 minutes later.
So after training for 9 minutes, we are finally done with the training. Now it's time to create stunning photos for your product. So you can either enter a background you want, or choose a recommendation that I've provided over here. Since my product is a FIFA soccer ball, I feel like it's gonna be best in front of a stadium. I'm gonna choose this option, and it's gonna take around 15 seconds to create my image. By the way, you can have a look at the log over here as well. So here, yep. So it should. Yep. So you should be able to see the image here. It's a pretty nice image, but I'm thinking of generating another image. So I'll choose this option, and it's gonna take 20 seconds more to generate another image. Again, you can see the log over here to see the progress of your image. Okay, so it should be created now. Sometimes the image, if the image is not the quality I want, it's gonna generate again. So, yep. So here's the new image. I feel like this image is much better because the product is much more similar to what I sent as training data, and the background, the overall quality is better. I'm gonna save this image. It's the final output JPEG. So my final image. If I want to choose another background, I can just choose another background over here. Yep. So you can enter a new background if you want. So let's say I want to have a background in a park with children playing. It's gonna take a while again to load out the image. This image is not really good. You can see sometimes it can generate pretty weird image. So let's just generate another image. Overall, if possible, I would recommend increasing the training steps. Uh, right now it's only trained for 200 steps, and 400 is much more ideal. I'll try to add the option to customize the number of training steps to improve the quality of the image later. Yep, so this image is looking better. As you can see, there's children playing in the background. The ball is in the middle of the photo, which is very good. So I think I'm gonna save this picture. So I'll put to JPEG. Okay. So that's it all for my web app. If you like it, feel free to comment. Or, yep, this is a new image. If this one is worse, so yeah. Guys like my web app or have any recommendations or questions, feel free to send me any emails or message. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching.